Okay, welcome back to our 3-box break. We're in the middle of box 2, the rookies and stars. Which we've got Matt Castle, Jordan Shipley, Deion Branch, Ben Watson, Wes Welker, and the White Beats. Rookie T.J. Yates, Mike Wallace, Cadillac Hayes.
Two more hits still in there. Alright. Danny Woodhead, Noshawn Moreno, Tony Maaki, Terrell Owens, Tom Brady, rookie Johnny White, Mike Williams, Tampa Bay, Hines Ward.
Yeah, that's that thing I get it.
You're picked from the bottom. What?
Mike Sims Walker, Matt Forte, Roddy White, Peyton Manning, Brian Urlacher.
You're 3 and I'm only 1.
Another White. Corey Liggett, Vernon Davis, LaDamian Thomas. That's because I listened to you mispronounce him a moment ago.
Okay. Alright. Greg Jennings, Todd Heap, Drew Brees, Java Thess, Studio Rookies, Torrey Smith, that's not numbered, Muhammad Wilkerson Rookie, Danny Amendola, Darius Hayward Bay. PHP.
Cedric Benson, Ben Jarvis Ellis, Lance Moore, Anquan Bolden, David Garrard. Yes, another winner for the White.
That's
Richard Gordon, LeGarrette Blunt, and Ben Roethlisberger.
I think I got a winner here. Tim Tebow, Jason Snelling, Calvin Johnson Jr., Michael Turner, Joseph Adai. Oh! Rookie auto patch, Mark Ingram.
Oh, that's nice. What's the number to?
5 of 299.
Nice hit.
Okay.
Glad I'm a Saints fan.
Justin Houston, Jeremy Maclin, Mike Williams, Seattle. That is nice. That's just a nice, pretty autograph, but it's a nice card. Ooh.
Ryan Fitzpatrick, Pierre Thomas, Aaron Rodgers, Joe Flacco, Marquise Colston longevity, number 90 of 99.
See, why are those
Evan Royster, Malcolm
auto
Floyd, host guy.
See, why is that number less than the auto patch? That makes no sense to me. Let's see. One more hit. Alright. Jordy Nelson, C.J. Spiller, Ray Rice, Maurice Jones-Drew, Johnny Knox, blank white piece, Baron Batch, Donnie Avery, John Carlson. Baron Batch was a rookie. Getting low on packs.
Let me hit the left one. You get one guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Larry Fitzgerald, Brian Cushion, Sidney Rice, Felix Jones, Reggie Bush.
All I know is you
Master White Piece. Jonas Mouton, Chris Johnson, Rashard Mendenhall.
We have a winner in this one. Jabbar Gaffney. I think we have a winner in this one. Steve Bretson, Kevin Walter, Jay Cutler, Percy Harvin. Woo! That's Dress for Success. Jersey Von Miller.
Nice hit there.
Numbered 25 of 299. Of course, lights all over it. And then rookie Dwayne Harris, Sam Bradford, Zach Miller. Raiders.
Nice hit for the Broncos. Steve Johnson, Tony Romo, Jason Witten, Ahmad Bradshaw, Aldrich Robinson of the Redskins longevity.
Gold.
Number 5 of 49 in this gold. Stephen Paya, Marshawn Lynch, Santonio Holmes.
3 packs left. And we got all the guaranteed hits. Who knows? I can guarantee there's still some white pieces in there. Hakeem Nicks, Jordy Nelson, CJ Spiller, Donald Driver, Ray Rice. Oh, look, the infamous white piece. Rookie Julius Thomas, Donovan McNabb, Ron Matthews. Please watch that. No. Let's take a laugh.
Mike Thomas, Carson Palmer, Matthew Stafford, Tony Gonzalez. Studio rookies, Austin Pettis. Number 402 of 500. Nathan Enderle, rookie, Mark Sanchez, and Chris Cooley.
And last pack of the box. Here we go. Get on to that inception. Let's go that time. Asante Shanko, Eddie Royal, Reggie Wayne, Devin Hester, Adrian Peterson, rookie Curtis Brown, Phillip Rivers, Ryan Turay. Nope, no Terrell Pryor.
No Terrell Pryor. Okay, we'll go to the last box of the break. I'm going to take the plastic. It is the Topps Inception. There are only 7 cards. I think, if I remember correctly, it's like 2 autographs guaranteed.
Here we go. Big money, big money, big money, no women.
Let's take a look.
Ooh.
There's our box. This is our one super size pack.
Super size. Yeah.
Okay, we got Patrick Willis. This is number 163 of 209, Ronnie Brown. Number 32 of 75, Matt Castle. This is an autograph 3-color patch jersey. Number 16 of 50. Actually, yeah, you kind of see the blue, light blue there, 4-color. Mikal LaSure, the Lions. That was a very nice hit for our Lions buyer. Followed by an autograph number 753 of 900, Taiwan Jones, rookie of the Raiders. Followed by a rookie patch number 3 of 25, Jarrell Jernigan of the Giants. And then Tom Brady. Very nice box, very nice hit and LaSure card. We want to thank everyone for buying teams. We'll be shipping these out first of the week, and look for our upcoming box breaks. Thanks again.